My name is John Hawkins. I'm an attorney. I represent injured people in South Carolina. I've been an attorney about 20 years. I started out as a law clerk to a circuit judge, and then a law clerk to a Supreme Court justice in South Carolina, and then have been in private practice ever since. Well, I started out working at 10 years old. My daddy owned a little gas station, kind of a mom and pop, and then I worked all the way through law school and made it through law school on an Army scholarship and some academic scholarships as well. So I've worked all my life, and we definitely came from very humble means growing up. I attended the University of South Carolina and graduated there in 1994. Well, I always had a sense of justice and a sense of wanting to help people, and that's really what I do today. Is we help just average people through no fault of their own have had some kind of whether it's a car wreck or an accident at work, help them against a much larger and more powerful insurance company or trucking company or business, and help them get justice. Well, what should you do if you get in an accident? The sooner that you pull out your cell phone, take pictures, get license plates, know what's on that police report, get as much information as quickly as you can and save it. They're collecting information as fast as they can to protect their interest. They're not going to look after you. If somebody has their arm broken at work in an accident, or if they break their leg in a car, no amount of money is going to put that body part back to where it was beforehand. Corporations, especially large corporations, that's the only language they speak is money. And the only way to really get their attention and to make their products safer, make their drivers safer on the road, is to create in them a sense that, hey, if our driver injures someone, then we're going to have to pay. You know, it is a person's duty to stand up for themselves. Because they're not only standing up for themselves, they're standing up for their families, but you're doing it for society as a whole. And that's why our American system of justice works. Unfortunately, you're not going to get the same level of justice unless you're represented by a good attorney.